Hello everybody, welcome to a new day of glazing. I already opened the kiln this morning because I had no patience as usual. Oh, this fell. Maybe it's because I opened the kiln. Anyway, so this is what we have today. Oh, I might break it. So this is what my daughter did. Look at this beautiful, cute little mushrooms. Cute mushrooms. This is a poisonous one. Don't eat it. Okay, so this is what she did. I like it. This is for the kitchen. I don't know if you watched the previous video that I made. This is for a brush, brush for the dishes, and this is for the sponge. And so this is what I did. Yes. I like it. My daughter made it. Isn't that cute? And this is for a mobile. And this is a pine
cone.
Pine cone. Yes.
And this is Gonzo.
This is kind of like Gonzo. Yes. What do you guys think?
You need to show his nose.
Oh, his nose.
Yes.
He's cute. Ooh. Ashtray. It's black clay and red glazing. You can see that it's red, huh?
Yeah.
Because it's too dark.
It looks black.
It looks black. No, here. How about here? No? Okay. Well, it is what it is. Now this is the top four. I'm going to show you in a minute. That's another flower. I made a hole in here so I can stick a stick and put it like in a vase. Thank you. Now these, I'm gonna put them on a piece of wood, and I'm gonna hang all the crazy jewelry that I sometimes make. I went crazy with this, really. I thought they were really cute. Let's not break them. Good. Next. Ooh. Let's see how it came out.
Wow. Beautiful.
Beautiful, huh? This is for oil. You know what I did? What I forgot to do? Oh no, it's okay. I forgot to open the holes, but it's amazing. It's still. Wait, let me see. No, it's good. I'm getting senile.
So are there holes?
There are, yes.
No, it's too good.
It's what?
You have to put it here. So yeah. Nice. Very, very nice.
Very nice. Oh, here. So then I can take a picture.
Yeah. No, it's better here.
Here? I want to take a. Oh, here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Very nice. I'm gonna check it again. Yeah. This is what I'm saying. All right. And this, I don't know if you remember this. This is gonna be like that. I'm gonna put it next on the dresser next to my bed. And I'm gonna take this. Please don't laugh. And then I'm gonna do it like that. What do you guys think? It's a crazy idea, but I
Yeah,
like
it is crazy. It's too noisy for my taste.
At night you don't see anything. You go to sleep. Okay, so let me tell you something about this. Oh, that's weird. Okay, never mind. No, they're like, it looks like they're bubbles.
Yeah.
Can you see it?
No. The camera can see.
Oh. Well, this is the second time that that I put these cups in the kiln, because this glaze, for some reason, we drink a lot of tea and it stains it just stains the cup, and I decided I'm just gonna put like another type
Coat.
of glaze, yeah, and then yeah, and hopefully that's gonna work. Okay, next. What's going on here? Yes. I'm sweating. It's hot. Day today. Oh, that's about it. That's our daughter did.
Cute.
Yeah. I thought it was nice. Oh.
Wow.
Wow. It actually turned out beautiful.
Yeah.
Oh my God, this is actually beautiful.
Yeah. Put it against the white so I can see. Yeah.
It looks like yeah, it's matte, and it's like it looks like wood. I love this glaze. It's just amazing. And this is for the bathroom. Remember, I made it, and I'm gonna put the brush for the toilet here.
Yeah.
I mean, maybe it sounds crazy, but this is something. I decide I want to make something, and then I just say, okay, it is what it is. Oh,
It's a new mug.
that's a new mug, yes. And that's a new glaze. I like it.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
I normally don't like shiny glazes when they shine too much, but this is actually nice. Here, and that's the black clay, and it's the same glaze as this. You see how it's
totally different.
It's
colors.
totally different, yeah. But it's also I love it when it's on black clay. This and that.
Yeah.
You see? Nice. Very good. So. So, as I said before, I went ape crazy with mugs. I decided that I need mugs. So, here they come.
Wow. That's a beautiful combination.
Yes. And look at the inside. I love it.
Yes.
1, 2.
Wow.
3.
Yep.
4. Wow, look at the inside. Oh my goodness. This is art, and I didn't even make it. It's the kiln. It's the glaze. What happened to your phone? Your phone is like beep beep beep. Oh, so I made 5 of these. Okay. I love this glaze. Oh, I'm sorry, I made 6. You can actually, well, maybe I'll take a picture of it later. But I actually think it looks, it's beautiful.
Yes.
What can I say? And oh, look at that.
What happened there?
It's the same.
Okay.
It's the same glaze as this. But look at the difference. See, here something happened to it.
Yeah.
You never know what's gonna turn out in the kiln. All right, never mind. We'll use it. All right, so guys,
Wow.
thank you very much for watching. If you like, please subscribe. You can make a comment. You can share. What else? That's it. Have a great day from Cyprus. Bye.